Bonjour à tous! Hello everyone! Welcome back to Smart Learning Foreign Language, your trusted place to learn French easily and step by step. Today we're learning a fun and very common French verb, chanter, which means to sing in English. Chanter is a regular ER verb, and it's super useful when you talk about music, fun, or even everyday actions like singing in the shower. Let's learn how to conjugate chanter in le présent de l'indicatif, that is, the present tense. Je chante, I sing, tu chantes, you sing, informal, il chante, elle chante, her, she sings. Nous chantons, we sing, vous chantez, you sing, formal or plural. Il chante, elle chante, they sing, masculine, feminine. See? Simple, right? It follows the regular ER verb pattern. Now, let's see 5 real-life examples of how to use chanter in simple French sentences. Je chante tous les matins. I sing every morning. Tu chantes comme une star. You sing like a star. Elle chante une chanson française. She sings a French song. Nous chantons à l'école. We sing at school. Ils chantent dans la chorale. They sing in the choir. Try practicing these aloud. For more detailed video lessons like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel Smart Learning Foreign Language. And don't forget to like, share, and click the bell icon to stay updated. Check the description below for amazing and absolutely free French learning resources, like Eiffel Excellence, Learn French in 30 days, How to Communicate in French, a complete guide for beginners, BONJOUR Basics, the best solution guide specially for school students. Contact details are also in the description if you want to join our free French courses or download the ebooks. Thanks for watching. Merci beaucoup. Keep learning, keep smiling, and continuez à chanter en français. À bientôt on Smart Learning Foreign Language.